Hello students, hope so you will be fine and safe. Today's our topic is chapter straight line and topic is conversion of general equation of a line into slope intercept form, into intercept form and into normal form. Let us see with some questions. First of all, we have a general equation of a line. We are going to convert your first question into slope intercept form. What's the process? First of all, remain your y on your left side and other on your right side, then make coefficient of y single. It will converts into slope intercept form. That coefficient with x will be slope and your constant will show c, that is y intercept. Again, we have general equation of a line and we are going to convert it into slope intercept form. Your y will be on your left side and remaining terms on right side, then make coefficient of y single. Coefficient with x will be your slope and constant will show you, that is y intercept. Simply you know कि what is slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Now, here is second question, that is conversion of general equation of a line into intercept form. To convert general equation into intercept form, take constant on your right side. After that, divide whole equation with your constant, that is 12. X upon 4, y upon 6 is equal to 1. As you know, intercept form is x by x intercept plus y intercept is equal to 1. You can see x intercept is 4 and y intercept is 6. In the same process, divide every term with 6 with your constant. Will be 3 by 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. X intercept is 3 by 2 and y intercept is minus 2. As you know, intercept form is x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is equal to 1. Now, here is general equation of a line and we have to convert it into, that is normal form. Process is, take your constant on your right side. But always remind, your constant will always be positive. If you are going to make normal form by general equation of a line, then multiply whole equation with the negative to make constant positive. Divide whole equation by under root a square plus b square. A means coefficient with x and b means coefficient with y. That is under root minus 1 square plus under root 3 square is equal to 2. Divide whole equation with that value. It shows me cos alpha, it shows me sin alpha and it is my p. That means cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2, sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2. As you can see, cos is negative and sin is positive. That means alpha lies in second quadrant. To lie in second quadrant, that is pi minus 1 by 2 value will be on pi by 3 and alpha is equal to 2 pi by 3. Then your general equation into normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Normal form of the equation of a line. Now here again you can see constant is already on your right side and it is already positive. Then divide whole equation with under root a square plus b square, that is under root 2. Here you can see that is cos alpha, sin alpha, and that is P. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Here you can see cos is positive and sin is negative. It is in fourth quadrant. To lie in fourth quadrant, that is 2 pi minus 1 by root 2 value will be on pi by 4. That means alpha is equal to 7 pi by 4. Then equation in normal form will be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to, that is your P. Normal form. This is the process to convert general equation of a line into slope intercept, your first question, into intercept, that is your second question, and to normal form, that is your third question. Thank you.